banger now today. Today. We got what is this? Episode 3 for the Raiders rebuild? My bad. I had a brain fart right there, but we ended up changing some things around. We got my boy Pete here. It's pretty much the same team from the last episode. We got Moro, Dolman, who's a 5-star. So yeah, we got Wild. I ended up changing the guys' names. So yeah, I ended up changing their names. I don't know what happened to our tight end, I forgot. But you guys see 3-star offense, 2.5-star defense. Let's go ahead and hop into the game against the Colts. Go ahead and use all 6 here. They're gonna wear their rest jerseys tonight. They're gonna wear our rest jerseys. want y'all to win this game. Let's see if we can do it. Try to get you guys 2 games, like I said. Undefeated streak stays alive. Yes, I did restart in case you guys are curious. I had to. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Who knows? Anyway, we got to upgrade for you. Stamina. Stamina. I don't even care if it's going to cost me around 3 pick. We're even across the board now. As you guys see right here, now we have 10 players. So we have enough room to get 2 more players. So what I'm thinking is we get this guy right here. His stamina is terrible. Oh my god. He has good stamina, but he's not that good. Rant. She the rant. That's funny. Sutton's a beast, but we already have Dolman. So yeah, we need a court. No, we don't. What do we need, to be honest? We have Pete. We have Curve. We really don't need nobody, really. I mean, we do need an offensive lineman. We do need an offensive lineman. We don't have enough for an offensive lineman. That's the thing. And I low-key like this guy, and I low-key like this guy better than this guy. Although this guy has more room to improve. Wait. He has max blocking. Yeah, he's better because he has max blocking. But we also need wide receiver because we only have 1 wide receiver. And wide receiver is this guy. Yeah, Metcalf is. Yeah, this guy's better because he has better block. So we'll probably go. Not Metcalf. We'll probably go this guy. This guy. Because we need a receiver. $32 coaching credits, bro. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, I need that CC. we gotta get those coaching credits up. Anyway, we gotta play the Broncos tonight. This is a division game, so we're gonna wear our rest jerseys. They're gonna wear their rest jerseys. I cannot talk to them. So you unlock trucking in season 2. Oh, they're gonna score. This is our chance to score. No. Oh no. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Second and 9. Oh, Domin. Look at Domin. He's out of here. Domin's gone. Nobody's gonna catch him. He's out of here. To the 10. To the 5. And it's a touch. Let's see if we can get a kick return touchdown. Taking our time getting down this field. So we have a tie game here. A yard is a yard. Give me. Alright. last game. We have to take our time getting down this field. 14 yards on the return. It's a first round. Like we were supposed to round. 55 yards. 55 yards. For a game, but it doesn't matter. What? Oh, what? No, that's on him. I'm not responsible for bro having a bad game. Looks at his stamina. Undrafted rookie. I mean, sure. No, why not? The offensive lineman's done for a game. I mean, do we sign him? Do we sign and cut a player? I need 2 more credits to get him. So once we get those 2 coaching credits, we should be good. So I gave y'all, how many games did I give y'all? So yeah, we got the Dolphins in the bye week. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications. Comment something nice. Taking care of your significant other. Word of the day. Let's do water. Anyway, have a blessed night. Stay safe. If you're watching this the day of, I love you. Goodbye. Turn on those post notifications, and it's been your boy, Drew Wilkins, and I'm gone. Peace.